One sunny afternoon, a little girl named Ava went for a walk in the park. As she strolled along the path, she came across a big, muddy puddle. "Oh, a puddle!" Ava exclaimed, her eyes sparkling with excitement. She loved splashing through puddles on a rainy day. But today was different. Today, she had a new dress on. Ava hesitated for a moment, looking at the puddle and then at her pristine dress. She remembered her mother's words, "Always choose kindness, Ava." With a determined look on her face, Ava decided to do something kind. She walked around the puddle, avoiding the splash and the mess. "Wow, I'm really proud of you, Ava," her mother said when she returned home. "You showed great courage and kindness today." Ava beamed with pride. She had made a choice and stuck to it, even when it was easier to give in to her instincts. From that day on, Ava learned that being brave doesn't always mean doing what's easy. It means doing what's right, even when it's challenging. And she realized that kindness, no matter how small, can make a big difference. From then on, Ava always chose kindness, not just around puddles, but in everything she did. And she grew to be a kind, brave, and compassionate young girl. The end.